Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today I'm going to take your English class. Today I'm going to discuss E in the middle sound words. CVC words. Okay? Today we'll learn about the short vowel E sound words. That is based on the CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. The short sound of letter E is A. So today we'll learn about the short E vowel sound word along with the pictures. Now let's get started. The first one is ED words. Ba, ed, bed. Ba, ed, bed. All of you read with me. All of you speak with me. Ed, fed. Ed, fed. Ed, fed. L, ed, led. L, ed, led. R, ed, red. R, ed, red. R, ed, red. T, ed, ted. T, ed, ted. W, ed, wed. W, ed, wed. W, ed, wed. Okay. Again you will read all the words. Ba, ed, bed. F, ed, fed. L, ed, led. R, ed, red. T, ed, ted. W, ed, wed. Again we'll read E, N words. N, da, and den. Da, and den. Ha, and hen. Ha, and hen. M, and men. M, and men. Pa, and pen. Pa, and pen. Ta, and ten. Ta, and ten. Again we will read all the N words. Da, and den. Ha, and hen. M, and men. Pa, and pen. Ta, and ten. Okay, we'll read now 8 words. E-T words. 8. Ba, et, bed. Ba, et, bed. Ga, et, gate. Ga, et, gate. Ja, et, jet. Ja, et, jet. L, et, led. L, et, led. M, et, made. M, et, made. N, et, net. N, et, net. Pa, et, pet. Pa, et, pet. S, et, set. S, et, set. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. V, et, vet. Va, et, vet. Va, et, vet. Ya, et, yet. Ya, et, yet. Ya, et, yet. Okay, children. Again we read all the words. Ba, et, bed. Ga, et, gate. Ja, et, jet. L, et, led. M, et, met. N, et, net. Pa, et, pet. S, et, set. V, et, wet. Va, et, wet. Ya, et, yet. Okay, children, you have to practice all the words loudly and remember all the words. Thank you. Bye bye again.